Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a powerful, all-natural cleaning solution that's perfect for tackling tough grease, dirt, and grime. Introducing the Mighty Mint Vinegar Cleaner. This 16 ounces bottle of non-toxic, all-purpose spray is made with simple, natural ingredients that have been proven effective in the real world. With a blend of premium US-grown spearmint oil and 6% vinegar acidity, this cleaner not only gets the job done, but it also leaves behind a mild, refreshing minty scent. The best part? It's completely safe to use around people and pets when used as directed, so you can feel good about using it in your home. Say goodbye to harsh chemical cleaners and make the switch to the Mighty Mint Vinegar Cleaner. So if you're ready to tackle your cleaning tasks with a powerful, non-toxic solution that's safe for your home and family, click the link in the description to get your own bottle of Mighty Mint Vinegar Cleaner today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.